This is Emma. She is 21 years old and is Kyojuro's older sister. She is friends with Emily Kako. She uses diamond breathing and is the strongest breathing. She created it at 5 years old. She is a sister of Kyojuro, but she is stronger. She became a Hashira in only 3 days, and she is the strongest Hashira, stronger than Riichi. She can beat Muzan in 0.0. 1 second. She is so pretty that every boy has a crush on her. Mitsuri and Shinobu is jealous of her because they get no boys. Haha. She is so pretty that Tane said he would give up his wives for her, and he did. But she rejected him. Every boy confessed their feelings to her, but she is deeply in love with Tanjiro instead. She is 21 years old. Instead, Tanjiro is also in love with her. But is too scared of her feelings. But when she told him about her feelings for him too, he was so happy, and they got married and had 6 kids together.
Hey guys, this is my Demon Slayer OC. Her name is Daisy Kocho. Daisy uses candy breathing. She is the most powerful, the strongest, and most beautiful Hashira. All the boys have a crush on her. Mitsuri is jealous of her because she gets no boys. She once defeated Upper Moon 1 in 0.000000000000001 seconds. But she can't kill Muzan Jackson because he's afraid he might hurt her. Because she's just too pretty. Anyways, here are candy breathing forms. First form, Sugar Blast. Second form, Candy Attack. Third form, Sprinkle Cupcakes. Fourth form, Rainbow Lollipop. Fifth form, Cotton Candy Burst. Sixth form, Sugar Cookie Magic. She had the saddest backstory ever. Everyone cried. She's also depressed. She lost her whole family. Daisy has 2 colored eyes, made of fairy dust, which are extremely rare. She trained so well. She got 574 million awards. Don't mess with her, or you die. Here's a full pic of Daisy Kocho.